Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome you again. Welcome to the another session in Python programming. So, today we are going to discuss about how to use split function in Python programming. So, many a times, if you are reading text file or if you are dealing with some text in a file, then you need to use the split function. Particularly to segregate the words in a line. So if you are having particular sentence, so if you take an example of the heading itself, so I can say how to use split function in Python programming is a complete sentence. Okay, so if I want to target each and every word in this one, that is how is one word, to is one word, use is one word, and split is another word. So which built-in function will help for doing this task? Okay, so for that question I have an answer. So you have to use split function. So it will basically split the whole sentence into a words. So how it is going to do that one, and what are all the syntax involved in that one, and many other things with examples we are gonna see in this video. So if you are new to the channel, please guys hit the like button and subscribe the channel, because we will be uploading the Python related programs and projects continuously. So it will be a helpful for you and also for me, because I need subscribers. Okay, so then I will just explain you first what is meant by split. So as I said, split function is used to separate the words in a line or text file. So it is used to separate the words in a text file. Okay, then the general syntax which we use is, that is a syntax that is in the notation which we can say. So it will be like split, and you have to mention in round brackets the point where you want to split the function, that is the text. Okay, and next I have a default syntax. So this default syntax we will be using most of the time, so you can use anything, so they are pointing to the same thing. So in default syntax what will be happening is split, and we will be not passing any parameters. So I have written space, so I can leave like this. So it will be having a blank space, so that we will be not space passing any parameters. So what happens if I pass the parameters, and what parameters I can pass? So all those things I will show you in the Python shell itself, so that the concepts will be clear for you. Okay, so let me just open the Python shell, guys. So I have opened now Python shell that I am using 2.7.18, and I will create a new file here. So new file, and let me just take a string here. So I will take a string called string1. So I'll just take some sentence here. So I say, hey guys, so how are you? Alright guys, so I have taken a string here, that is, hey guys, how are you doing today? So then I will use the split function now. So I will take a second variable called string2, so which will be storing the splitted version of this one. So I will write first I will write the string which I want to split. So I want to split string1, so I will write string1, and you have to place a dot operator, dot, then I will write split, and in bracket I won't pass any parameters here. So let me just show you without passing any parameters, and in the next step I will show you if I pass some parameters, then what will be happening. So if you observe the output, then you will better understand this concept. Okay, so I will just print the string2, that is I will print this one. I will be printing string2. So I will save this one. So let me just give a name as oo. Okay, then I will run this code. So now you can see, or else I will print both. So first I will print the normal statement, that is whatever the sentence I have written. So that is hey guys. So let me just write a string here, the original sentence is. So I will first print the original sentence, and that is string1. So this is the original sentence, and for next one I will print the splitted sentence is. So I will use here. So this will basically tell the user the first one is the original sentence, and the second one is the splitted sentence, I can say splitted form of that one. So I will just save this one, press Ctrl S, and then I will run. So now you can see the original sentence is, hey guys, how are you doing today? Then the splitted sentence is, hey guys, how are you doing today? But observe the single quotes here. So it is considering hey as the first word, and then guys as the second word, how as the third word. Like this, it will be splitting the whole sentence into parts of words. Now, if you want to access these words, you can access easily with the help of for loop, I can say. So for let us say word in string 2, okay, then print word. So if I want to print all the words, I can do that thing here. So if I run this one, as you can see, it is printing all the words in the sentence. Hey guys, how are you doing today? So with the help of for loop, I can do that one. So like this, you just have to write 2 lines of code here. So this is not needed actually. We just want to discuss about what is meant by split function and how I can use. So I have shown you application where you can use the split function as well. So now coming to the concept of using the parameter. So it is without passing any parameter. So what will happen if I pass some parameters here? So let us say I pass a parameter called let us say e. Okay, so I will be passing a parameter e, and I will just save this one and run. Okay, so then let us see what is the output. So the original sentence as it is, then as you can see, whenever it encounters e, it will be splitting at that point. So it is seeing e here after h, then it will stop at this moment and it will consider h as one word, and then it will include y in the next segment, that is starting from y it will consider space as the letter itself. So it will take space and ZUYS as another word. Okay, then until it will be encountering next letter E, it will be taking it as a word. So starting from Y here, then it will go up to guys how are. So up to AR it will be taking, and it will exclude this E, because whenever it encounters E, it will split at this moment, or it will erase that E and it will make a word at that moment. So whatever there is behind that E, it will be taking as a word. So as you can see, it is starting from Y and it is ending at AR. So you guys how are AR. So this is another word. So whatever there is in single quote, it is considered as a single word. Then it will start considering from space. It will include the space and you doing today. So you doing today is the another word. So like this, the only meaning of split is what it will do basically is, whenever you pass some parameter, it will see for that parameter in the sentence, and whenever it encounters that particular word or that particular letter, I can say, then it will split at that point, and it will consider whatever there is there behind that particular letter, it will take it as a word, and from onwards it will again continue and go until it encounters the same word and it is making it as another word. So like this it will be working. So what if I want to split this sentence into words? So simple, I will just pass the parameter space here, so that whenever we are writing words, we will be obviously leaving the space, because we are humans, and if you don't leave space, then how I can understand what is written there? So if I write like this, will you be able to understand? So how will be making the sentences? So let me just crumble this one. Okay, so I will just crumble this one, and okay, so now identify what is there I have written. So you have already seen the sentence, you might recognize, but if it is a new sentence, how you can understand what is written on the screen? So you won't understand, right? Because we are humans and we will be not able to understand unless it is separated by space. So the same strategy is used, because of course the Python is written by humans itself. So we are using the space as the separating parameter. So whenever we encounter a space, we will be splitting the sentences into words at that point. So that's all about the split function, guys. So I hope you understood, and if you have any doubt, please guys feel free to comment. I will be happy to answer those questions. If I know, I will answer, otherwise I will do some research and try to help you. So if you give some feedback for me, it will be very helpful, whether you understood or not. So give thumbs on, so it will make us happy. Thank you, thanks for watching. Please guys, subscribe the channel for more updates. See you in the next video.